We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT Wrapped 2025 to get the most out of your year in review. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT Wrapped 2025 website. Once you're there, sign in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by providing your email and setting a password. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your ChatGPT interactions for the year. To dive deeper, click on the Analyze button. This will provide a detailed breakdown of your most common topics, frequently used phrases, and even your top conversation partners. If you want to customize your Wrapped experience, head over to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Here, you can choose to filter out certain data or focus on specific months of the year. Once you've set your preferences, press APPLY to update your Wrapped summary. For a fun twist, try using the Generate Story feature. This takes your data and creates a narrative summary of your year's interactions, which you can download or share on social media. If you're looking to improve your future conversations, check out the Insights section. This area provides tips based on your historical data, helping you engage more effectively with ChatGPT in the future. Don't forget to explore the Share options if you want to post your Wrapped results on social media or send them to friends. It's a great way to see how your interaction style compares with others. Finally, if you encounter any issues, there's a Help section available under the Support tab in the menu. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.